Morning, guys. Thank you for coming to the Portchester Rybrook Public Library live Zoom art show.
Do today. So why don't we start on the top of the line? We're going to put shape of the egg, and somewhere in the middle the leg starts. So let's make crazy leg. Maybe it goes this way because I want dancing figure. The theme of the workshop is celebrate your heritage, and what better celebration than dancing? One arm goes out of the page and it stops, but it's really much longer. Simply the reason is we don't have enough space. So it's like photo taken and arm is cut somewhere because there's not enough space in the camera, but the other arm goes like that. And remember, make it very close to the head because no one has a giraffe neck. So this is one figure, and another one, I want to have another one. So maybe I start with the egg shape. Actually, this is the shape of the body, and it's part of the body and one leg, but this leg will go like that. We can add feet if we want to both people. And I want this person to hold that one. I want them to hold hands. So maybe we do it like this. 1, 2. And like this. Now we're going to dress them up. First, you see this line. It doesn't look too well and it bothers me. And I'm not going to show any eyes, noses, etc. It's not that important. So I cover this line and here we go. Let's say it's your mom and dad and they are dancing. So this is mom and this is dad, and you can see he's moving fast because his hair is moving, right?